The easiest cash advance app isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that lets you complete everyday tasks without searching through menus or repeating the same setup steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how Cleo and Empower differ in everyday use, what each app is designed to do, and which one is likely to feel simpler for your needs. If you're comparing ease of use, start with the setup process. Both Cleo and Empower require you to create an account, connect a supported bank account, and complete any requested verification before you can access their financial features. If your bank connects successfully and your information is accurate, getting started is usually straightforward on either platform. Once you're inside the app, the experience becomes different. Cleo is built around a conversational interface. Many features are presented through chat-style interactions, which can feel natural if you prefer asking questions and receiving responses in a messaging format. If you're comfortable with chat-based apps, navigating Cleo may feel familiar. Empower takes a more traditional app approach. Features are generally organized into standard menus and account screens, rather than conversations. If you prefer tapping through clearly labeled sections instead of chatting with an assistant, Empower may feel easier to navigate because important options are visible without starting a conversation. Think about how you normally use financial apps. If you want to check your account, request in advance, or review activity as quickly as possible, a menu-driven layout may save time. If you like receiving explanations and interacting through messages, a chat-based experience may feel more comfortable. Whichever app you choose, there are a few ways to make the experience smoother. Connect the bank account you use most often, keep your login credentials updated, complete identity verification as soon as it's requested, and install app updates when they're available. These simple steps prevent many of the issues that users mistake for confusing app design. It's also worth looking beyond the interface. Consider customer support, compatibility with your bank, repayment options, and the features you actually plan to use. An app that looks simpler won't necessarily be the better choice if it doesn't fit your financial routine. Here's the bottom line. Cleo may feel easier if you enjoy a chat-style experience, while Empower may feel simpler if you prefer a traditional menu-based layout. Neither app is universally easier because the best choice depends on how you like to navigate financial tools. Your next step is to explore both apps, if they're available to you, and choose the one that feels more intuitive after completing the initial setup. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest app comparisons and practical troubleshooting guides.